Hello, everybody. I am so excited to have you all here to chat about simple recipes for non-toxic cleaning. And we made this to have a time limit because I am trying to make this so easy for you guys to do too. Because in all honesty, it literally takes me a minute or less to make a bottle of cleaner. And I want you guys to be able to do it in your house too, because it's not super hard. It's not doesn't take an hour or buying a bunch of products. It's a lot of stuff that you actually have in your home already. So I'm going to get started right off the bat. I'm Emily. I live here in Wisconsin with my two children, and I actually own a natural cleaning business here locally. And we have serviced over 500 people in the last 3.5 years, which is so surreal to say, but I am so blessed to have that under my belt. But that also just is telling you and give you a basis that I've tried these recipes and we use them over and over again with the clients that we service. And all the employees know how to make them. They're super simple to use, and they work. And it shows with my business, but also I continue using them in my home as well. So we're going to get started right off the bat. The main product that we're going to be using today is our lovely OnGuard cleaning concentrate. And it's just what it says it is. It is a concentrate, so you dilute this with water. And that's what we're going to do. The first product we are going to make is the OnGuard all-purpose cleaner. So you're just going to grab a spray bottle. This one, I believe, is 24 ounces. Typically, I use glass in my home, but in the cleaning business, we had to switch over to plastic, mainly because we were breaking a lot of glass bottles on tile floors. So it was becoming a hazard, but in my home, I use glass, which is preferable. But in the cleaning business, since we go through these products, within a day or two, it's fine to use plastic. So that's what we're going to make these out of today. So my favorite thing to do is to always add water first so you don't deal with any bubbles at all. And I just have filtered water here. So we're just going to fill this. You want to put, this is a 24-ounce bottle. You can put like 22 ounces of water in. All right, we are about there. And then you can measure this, but since I've done this so many times, I'm just going to do it without measuring it because that's how I do it. But for this size bottle, you would use about 2 tablespoons of this cleaner. You can use a little more to make it concentrated, or you can use a little less, whatever you prefer. So I just do about 2 big squirts, maybe 3. And then my favorite thing to add in there for an extra boost of scent and degreasing is wild orange, and I'm going to add just 5 drops in there. And all these products that we're using, they are very concentrated, so that's why you don't have to use that much, which is amazing. So that's it. Literally took me probably 30 seconds to make that, so it's very easy to do. And we use this as an all-purpose cleaner on everything. So bathroom surfaces, kitchen surfaces, floors even, anything you can think of. We use this with dusting too. You just want to give it a good shake and then you're all ready to go. So this was our first product. That was the OnGuard all-purpose cleaner. We spray that on everything and we use cotton cloths or microfiber cloths as well. Okay, for the next one we're going to make is a glass cleaner, which is super similar to what we just made. We are going to grab another bottle. This again is a 24-ounce bottle. And you are going to fill this with about 20 ounces of water. And this glass cleaner is going to include vinegar because vinegar is a great additive to clean glass. All right, we're going to fill this up with about 20 ounces. And then we just use white distilled vinegar. This is super cheap. Do not buy the cleaning vinegar because it is just overpriced vinegar. You're going to want to go to the food section in your store and just grab the food grade vinegar. So you want to grab about 2 ounces-ish. You can do a little more. 2 ounces of vinegar. That is going to help get the streaks out of your windows and just leave them really clean and clear. Then we're going to grab this cleaning concentrate, the OnGuard one, and we're going to use less of it because we want it to be a little more diluted. So we want it to do less of like a deeper clean and more of like a surface clean like we use for fingerprints and things like that. And this is going to make it really great to use on your windows. So I'm just going to do about 1 squirt of that. And that's it. Again, this is really simple to make. I'm sure you guys all have vinegar in your house too. It's a great thing to use for windows, but also for cleaning and other areas. Give it a shake, and then you're all set to go. And we don't add essential oils to this. And the reason is because when you spray it onto windows, the essential oils are essentially a degreaser and they can leave streaks in your windows. So we try to stay away from the actual extra drops of essential oils, and we just use the diluted cleaning concentrate along with the white distilled vinegar. All right, we have 2 under our belt. It's already gone past maybe like 2 minutes. It's super simple, and these products, 5 minutes, that's even better. These products are really easy to use too, just like you would use your regular toxic cleaners, chemicals, things like that. They work even better, and they don't leave you feeling like you've been smelling bleach all day or with a headache, and they don't hurt your hands either. And that was a big thing because my mom works with me in my cleaning business, and she always wanted to wear gloves because she was like, oh, the bleach stuff makes my hands hurt. And, it's drying my hands out and this and the other. I was like, Mom, like, yeah, you can wear gloves if you want to, but you don't really need gloves for that reason. Like, if you're using it just to protect your hands from the chemicals, because this stuff doesn't hurt your hands. It actually helps your body, which is funny because it's cleaning chemicals that are non-toxic. So the next thing we're going to make is probably one of my favorite recipes, and this is a soft scrub. So if you think of like, I'm trying to think, like Comet or Barkeeper's Friend, things like that, this is going to be used in that way. So we are just starting with plain baking soda. And this is a 4-ounce jar. I just filled it up into the lines for your screw on the lid. Pure baking soda. That's it. And I'm going to start with a small squirt of the doTERRA cleaning concentrate, the OnGuard one. Again, you're using like the same things to clean your home. So I've used this bottle already twice, and I'm going to use it again for this recipe. So you just want to do maybe about a tablespoon. So it's just going to make it a little wet. The next thing I'm going to add 2 drops of tea tree, which is a really great cleaning oil. And then I'm actually going to add a few drops of the OnGuard oil. This just gives it a little more cleaning power, but it also makes it smell really good. The next thing we are going to use is a little bit of Castile soap or Castile soap, however you want to say it. My mom always tells me I say it wrong, so there should be a right way or a wrong way. So this is, again, really concentrated. You can get this anywhere. This is a big staple in our home in terms of cleaning, but also we use this for hand soap too, if we're not using the doTERRA foaming hand soap. So we're just going to use a little squirt of this. You really don't need a lot. And if you read into Castile soap, I think you need like only 1 or 2 drops to make it, as that you would hand soap or things like that. So it's very concentrated as well. And now we're just going to add a little bit to mix this up into a paste. And you kind of have to do it slow because I probably added too much baking soda in here. But you're going to mix it up into a paste. You wanted the consistency of a little thicker than more runny, just so it stays in the spot that you're trying to use it to clean. And you can cater this to your needs, whether you want it more runny or you want it thicker. You can add less baking soda, more baking soda. It's really foolproof, and there's really no wrong way to make it. All right, so that's it. You guys can kind of see it's a little runny, but it's not where it's coming out of the container too much. And you're all set. We use this to clean stovetops. We use this to clean sinks. We also use this to clean little marks on the counter. Anything you need, something that's a little more abrasive. We use this with a scrubby that's going to be non-scratch, and it works so great. And it leaves your appliances or your sink smelling great with those added essential oils in it too. All right, that went by really quick, and we have one more product to make. This is something that you might not think you can make, but you can. So we are going to be making a toilet cleaner, which sounds really funky, but listen up. So you might need an extra bottle, or I always save my doTERRA cleaning concentrate bottles. This is an empty bottle. And it's nice because it does have the squirt top on it. So we are going to remove the lid on here. And what we're going to be using in here, again, is the doTERRA cleaning concentrate. So this is the 4th time we used it, and these are the same bottles. It's just the empty one. We're going to do the normal recommendation for a 24-ounce bottle, which is about 2 tablespoons. So we're going to put that in there. And this one, we are going to be adding white vinegar, about an ounce or 2. We're going to take this out. And then the essential oil I'm going to be adding in this one, you can always switch it up. This is just my favorite to use in a bathroom setting, is the Abode essential oil. This line is great for deodorizing and really getting deep in there to clean for bathrooms and kitchens. So this is why we're using this here. I'll tell you what's in it. We have lime oil, listia oil, cassia oil, lemon eucalyptus, tea tree, arbor vitae, cilantro, lavender, and lemon myrtle. This smells so good. It's such a refreshing smell, and it really purifies the air, which is exactly what you need for the bathroom, especially if you have little toddler boys peeing everywhere, which I do. So I'm going to be adding probably 10 drops of this just because I want it a little more concentrated. And then we're going to be adding a little bit of Castile soap again. Just do a big squeeze. And we're going to fill the rest with water. You want to go kind of slow because you don't want to make too many bubbles in this one. All right, and now this is all set to go. So since it has the lovely spray top, you can use it as you would your normal toilet cleaner. So you tip it upside down and spray it all around your toilet in the lovely circle that you use, and then scrub it, and you're all set to go. And those are all the products that I wanted to share with you guys today. We made 4 products, and I wanted to let you guys know again what we just made. So we did the OnGuard all-purpose cleaning spray, which you can use on all surfaces. We did the glass cleaner, which is amazing for windows and mirrors. We did the soft scrub, which we use in sinks or stove tops or even inside the microwave. Anything you need a little more abrasiveness to, you're going to want to use that soft scrub. And lastly, we did the toilet cleaner with the Abode essential oil for added cleaning effects. And that's it. We use the same concentrate for all 4 of them, which is amazing because I just remember I think back to when I used to use other cleaners. I would have like 15 bottles underneath my sink or in my bathroom or wherever the case was. And one was a glass cleaner, one was a toilet cleaner, one was this, one was that. Like there were so many different bottles, and this simplified my life so much. Not only did it bring me to non-toxic cleaning, but in using less chemicals, but it brought it down to 1 bottle, which made 4 cleaning products, which is so great for me. But I loved sharing this with you today. I hope you guys got some amazing information from this. And if you have any questions, I'm always here to reach out, and we are here to share these products with you as well. So whatever you saw here today, with the exception of baking soda vinegar and Castile soap, I would love to share with you. These are high-grade essential oils that we were using in here. And also this cleaner is tested and proven that it works, and it takes away stuff. It sanitizes all this stuff. It works so well, and it is also biodegradable, which is amazing for the environment. So if you guys are interested in any of these things, you can contact either Andrea or myself, and we can get you hooked up, because this month is a special month with extra added goodies that we can offer you because we are a part of the Silver Club. If you're interested in these, let us know, and we can help you get directed in the right direction to grab these products to use in your own home.
Yes,
Thanks.
I'm just going to thank you so much, Emily, before I stop this recording. Yes, anybody who sent this recording to you, get in touch with them for further information on this. But Emily specifically, if you saw this recording and you're like, yes, I need more information. I need someone to walk me through this. I would love to hear more about how not only I can use these oils for cleaning my house, but how I can use it for cleaning myself and my body and all of these other things. Uh, Please get in touch with Emily. And because this month, this is June, you might be watching this at another time, but if you're watching this recording in June, you have the opportunity only through Emily to get a free citrus bliss if you enroll through her, which I think is kind of like fitting for you to be doing a cleaning, a non-toxic cleaning demonstration. And then also you get a citrus bliss, which you could add citrus bliss to so many cleaning opportunities, or just diffuse citrus bliss while you're cleaning or drink it. Like, so
Yeah.
there's lots of reasons to get started this month. And I want to applaud you, Emily. Thank you for doing this. And please get in touch with any of us if you have more questions. Oh, Emily,
Thank
where can they find you?
You guys can find me on Facebook or Instagram under Emily Hangartner. And if you want to look up the cleaning business, if you had specific cleaning questions, you can find us at magnificentmamasllc.com.
Awesome.